The Skywalker saga finally comes to an end after 9 episodes, and before the movie releases on the 19th of December, Samsung is giving Star Wars fans a great surprise with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Edition. We're here at the Samsung store to unbox this beautiful little thing, so let's get started with that. So as you can see, you've got Sith branding on the cover of it, and if you just slide this on the side, it says, I'll show you the dark side. Obviously this is themed towards the dark side, which is fantastic, something I'm really looking forward to. I've got to go ahead and open that. Look at that, beautiful, just beautiful. All the accessories, everything that comes back with it. So let's start with that. This is a Kylo Ren themed badge, looks nice, it's got a nice weight to it, and other than that we have the leather cover. Again, Sith kind of branded, looks very nice, it's got a great premium feel to it, beautiful leather. And in here we've got probably the usual additions such as quick start guides, sim ejection tool. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with these, they're just your standard literature. That's not what we're here for. What we are here for is, let me just pull this out. Look at that, look how sleek the packaging is. It's just incredibly good. So you've got the Note 10 Plus and Galaxy Buds. All of them are themed Star Wars on there, so let's go ahead and start with the Galaxy Buds. Let me just see if I can slide that on. Ooh, look at that, shiny red. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Looks just gorgeous. I hope Samsung sells these separately because anyone who's already bought a Note 10 would definitely love these. The color combination is just fantastic, and I would love to see them sold separately. And here we go with the Note 10. Too many things in this box, folks, too many things. So this is your standard Galaxy Note 10, except you've got a nice black finish with red accents, the power button, the volume buttons, the camera, everything's got a nice little red accent to it. And then obviously you've got the Star Wars seal to it. So let's go ahead and, that is amazing, that's very satisfying. So very standard Galaxy Note 10 Plus otherwise. Let's go ahead and power this up. The theme continues with Star Wars, so hopefully we can expect some Star Wars edition graphics, sounds, all of that. You've got your usual USB charger and the AKG phones. Ooh, look at that. So again, you've got the same branding as the cover, or they're somewhat similar matching. And you heard that sound, that was also from Star Wars. Let's go ahead and unlock that. Look at the Stormtroopers in red, looks fantastic. The icons have also been updated. The phone icon, messages icon, very Star Wars themed. Here, let's just go through the rest of them. So again, you see a lot of those, a lot of themed Star Wars. And even with the notification drop-down panel, black and red. Black and red is the theme of the phone, looks gorgeous. Let's have a look at the S Pen. Oh, look at that. It's kind of like you pull out the lightsaber. The effect is exactly like that. Very, very nice. Let me just do that one more time. That just sounded, oof, that's amazing. Oh yes, I can do this all day. You guys want to watch this video for the next 20 minutes me doing this and that? I can do this, I can seriously do that. Let's go ahead and turn the phone off as well. It probably has a little bit of Star Wars touch to it, and a Bixby button comes up. So what we need to do is we need to drop down and click on the power button here, and let's go ahead and power it up. Look at that. It's kind of like you're entering hyperspace just as soon as you jump into hyperspace. That's exactly the kind of animation that you see on the phone. Let's turn it on one more time just to see the startup and shutdown graphics and logos. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Again, going to be available for pre-orders from the 10th of December for 4,599 dirhams. I just love it. Look at that. It looks so pretty. It looks amazing. Great graphics on there. And this is obviously the Galaxy. This is the Galaxy Note 10, so you're getting the best of what Android has to offer, especially screens, especially themed. Let's do that one more time. Yeah, let's do that one more time. That sounds fantastic. And if you want to switch it off, let's try that one more time with the power button and power off. And you enter hyperspace and the phone goes to So this phone will be available for folks in the UAE. Pre-orders start on the 10th of December up all the way till the 15th of December, and it runs for AED 4599, 4,599 dirhams. It will be available, it will be shipped to whoever buys this up by the 19th of December, which is when the movie starts. So before the movie goes on, you're going to have your beautiful Galaxy Note 10 Star Wars edition that you can take it to the premiere and make everybody else jealous on there. This is Abbas signing out for Tech Radar. Stay tuned for everything in the world of tech.